Welcome to 2G Training. We provide training with experienced professionals by online or classroom, more than 30 hours of training with 100% job assistance. Start your career with us today by registering in register.2gtraining.in.
Hi, in this session we're going to see how to run a macro from Uipath. So we created a macro file which is practice file underscore macro, and we selected in the Excel scope, and we drag drop the execute macro and given the macro name. The macro name is check macro. The input parameter is your name, and for that input we are giving the output number of characters, whatever you passing we are calculating and we giving the output. So that is assigned in the property input and output. To read the output in the output panel, we need to use write line activity. So expected input for the write line activity is text. So we're going to create a new variable by giving Ctrl K and giving the variable name output text. So I am trying to set the same in the output of execute macro, because the output of the execute macro can be any type. So generally that object type is set to the output. So I need to create again a new output variable. Ctrl K again, I am giving the output. So this is a variable name output with the object variable type. After that I am going to create a input parameter. So input parameter is not just a string. Usually we will have this error, but it is an enumerator, which means array. For array, closing and opening bracket we use to convert that object variable type to text variable type. I am using assign activity. So usually we'll have this error when we using first time. So I am demonstrating this error. I am explaining how the assign activity should be used. So the left side should be a input variable type, and right side should be a value. So we need to give output text in left side, and right side output dot to string. Output is an object, dot to string is a method which will convert the object to string. Everything set. Now we are running the file. The automation is executed. We can see the result in a few seconds on the screen. The output is coming, is a message box as we expected. The passed parameter is coming as a message box. Now output is reflected in the right line, which will write the single log in the output panel. We're just opening and showing you.